Okay, my dear student, I am going to explain you Joule's law of heating effect. Joule is the name of scientist who given us three laws of calculating heat produced in the conductor. So in the previous video I have explained how heat is produced and what will be the formula for it. So among these 1, 2, 3 and 4, number 4 this 4 is conclusion of this equation number 3, that is termed as Joule's law of heating effect. So we are going to calculate here, discuss here Joule's law of heating effect that can be given by this. This is the Joule's law of heating effect. H is equal to I square RT. Keeping, so first law, it has three laws. Keeping I constant. I constant means value of current constant. I and T, time. T is the time of flow of current. So I and T are kept constant. Then what will happen? H will be proportional to R. H is proportional to R. So heat produced in the conductor during flow of current is directly proportional to the resistance of the conductor. जितने resistance होंगे उतना ही heat produce होगा. What is the resistance of the conductor? If you go on increasing the resistance, more heat will be produced. It is directly proportional. So what is the practical application of this? Practical application of first law of Joule's heating effect. So practically we are using it in the case of bulb, electric bulb. Electric bulb is made on this law, on the basis of this law. On the basis of this law, electric bulb is made. That is why resistance of the bulb is kept very high. That is why tungsten is taken as a filament of bulb, because resistance of tungsten is very, very high. And also it has another property, that melting point is also very high. Resistance is 3000 and temperature, melting point of tungsten is also 3000. So tungsten is used in the filament of bulb, and bulb is basic principle of bulb is H proportional to R. जितने resistance उतने heat उतने light. Okay, now come to the second rule. Keeping I and R constant, what will happen? H proportional to T. Heat is produced directly proportional to time. जितना ज़्यादा देर तक करंट जाएगा उतना हीट प्रोड्यूस होगा. यानी कि what is the application, practical application of this law? Practically, electric oven means in your house electric heater is made up of on this basis. My dear student, you might have seen when you are switching on your electric oven, heater, toaster, etc. of value 1000 watt, quickly it will not give the energy power equal to 1000 watt. With the passage of the time, its heat will increase. Passage of the time. So time is passing, heat is increasing. On this basis, electric oven, electric heater, electric iron, toaster, geyser, these are made on this basis. So these are the very. Now come to third law. There are three laws of Joule. Now keeping R and T constant, what will happen? Heat is directly proportional to I square. So we can say that when current heat produced in the conductor is directly proportional to a square of the current. So more current is passed, more and more heat will be produced. On the basis of what is the practical application of this? On the basis of this, hot wire ammeter or hot wire voltmeter is made. इसी प्रिंसिपल पे हॉट वायर एमीटर और हॉट वायर वोल्टमीटर और hot wire instruments, electrical instruments are made on the basis of this third law is proportional to I square. This is the Joule's law of heating effect.